Welcome to Wooden Treasures, inspiring projects from leftover timber, where creativity meets sustainability. In this series, we celebrate the art of transforming leftover wood scraps into beautiful, functional pieces that reflect your unique style. Each project is designed to inspire you to see the potential in what might otherwise be discarded, encouraging you to embrace eco-friendly practices while unleashing your creativity. From charming home decor to practical storage solutions, join us on this journey of innovation as we turn timber remnants into treasure creations that not only enhance your space, but also promote a more sustainable way of living. The concept of using leftover timber is rooted in the desire to minimize waste and promote eco-friendly practices. As we become more aware of our environmental impact, crafting with reclaimed materials offers a fulfilling way to contribute positively to the planet. By embracing this mindset, we not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also breathe new life into materials that might otherwise be discarded. Each project serves as a reminder that sustainability can be both practical and beautiful. In this series, we will delve into a variety of projects that demonstrate the versatility of leftover timber. From charming home decor to practical storage solutions, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Each project is designed to inspire creativity, encouraging viewers to think outside the box and see the potential in every scrap. Whether you have a small collection of offcuts or a larger stash of timber, we'll guide you through the process of crafting something truly special. One of the most rewarding aspects of working with leftover timber is the opportunity for personalization. Each project can be tailored to reflect individual tastes and styles, making them not only functional, but also deeply meaningful. Whether you choose to paint, stain, or leave the wood in its natural state, the final product becomes a unique expression of your creativity. This personal touch adds value to each piece, making it a cherished addition to your home or a thoughtful gift for someone special. As we embark on this creative journey, we'll explore various techniques to maximize the use of timber scraps, from cutting and shaping to assembling and finishing. Each step will be broken down for clarity and ease of understanding. We aim to empower you with the skills needed to take on these projects confidently. With a few essential tools and a bit of patience, you can transform these remnants into stunning pieces that showcase your craftsmanship. Throughout this series, we'll also emphasize the importance of safety when working with tools and materials. Proper preparation and mindfulness are key to ensuring a safe crafting experience. We'll share tips on setting up your workspace, choosing the right tools, and following safety protocols to make your projects enjoyable and worry-free. A safe environment fosters creativity, allowing you to focus on the joy of making. Moreover, the projects featured in Wooden Treasures are designed to be accessible to a wide range of skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete novice, there's something for everyone. We believe that creativity knows no bounds, and each project can be adapted to suit your capabilities. By encouraging experimentation and exploration, we hope to inspire you to push the boundaries of your craft. In addition to the hands-on projects, we'll also dive into the stories behind the wood. Understanding the origins of the materials we use can deepen our appreciation for the craftsmanship involved. We'll discuss the various types of timber, their characteristics, and how to select the right pieces for your projects. This knowledge not only enhances your skills, but also fosters a greater connection to the materials themselves. As we progress through the series, we'll highlight the importance of community in the crafting world. Sharing ideas, techniques, and experiences with fellow makers can lead to new insights and collaborations. We encourage you to connect with others who share your passion for DIY projects, whether through local workshops, online forums, or social media platforms. The crafting community is a supportive space where creativity flourishes and friendships blossom. Furthermore, we'll explore ways to showcase your finished creations. Whether you decide to display them in your home, gift them to loved ones, or even sell them at local markets, sharing your work can be incredibly rewarding. We'll offer tips on presenting your projects in a way that highlights their unique features and craftsmanship, allowing you to share the stories behind each piece. Finally, Wooden Treasures is not just about the projects. It's about the journey of creativity and the joy of discovery. Throughout this series, we encourage you to embrace the process, celebrate your successes, and learn from any challenges that arise. Each project is an opportunity for growth, offering lessons that extend beyond the craft itself. The act of creating can be a transformative experience, one that nurtures the spirit and inspires a lifelong passion for making. In conclusion, we invite you to join us on this exciting adventure of crafting with leftover timber. Together, we will unlock the potential of these materials, transforming them into wooden treasures that reflect your creativity and commitment to sustainability. Get ready to embark on a journey filled with inspiration, innovation, and the joy of making something truly special from what once was considered waste. Let's celebrate the art of transformation and discover the beauty that lies within each piece of wood. If you're excited to explore the world of crafting with leftover timber and want to stay updated on our latest projects, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting the subscribe button and turning on notifications, you'll be the first to know when we release new inspiring ideas, tips, and tutorials. Join our community of makers who are passionate about sustainability and creativity. And let's embark on this journey together to transform wood scraps into beautiful treasures. Your support helps us continue sharing our love for DIY. So like our videos and share your own creations with us in the comments.